In this video, I'll detail how to change time zone on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you want to change your time zone, like you want to change your region on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through. If you're not of this, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do, when you want to change time zone on your iPhone running on iOS 18, is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on general. Now once you selected general, I want to scroll down, then locate date and time and click on that. Then here, under date and time, locate time zone and click on that. Once you click on that, you should see your current time zone, here Lagos, Nigeria. Then you want to search for your current time zone or the time zone you want to change to. Then let's say I want to change to Dubai. Then you should see it when you type in where you want to change your time zone to. Go ahead and select that. Then you can just go back to your home screen, or from here, you should see your time zone or the time in the current location you selected, Dubai. The current time is 1:20, and that is it. So if you set automatic time, this is going to automatically generate Dubai time zone for you on your iPhone on iOS 18. Meanwhile, if set automatically is enabled, this won't allow you to change the time zone on your iPhone until you disable automatic time zone here. That's it. Then you can just come here again and then change it to whatever location you want to change your time zone to. So that's all you need to do, and that's going to change the time zone automatically. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.